Hi, this is Rob Gordon from the Noonan LSA Academic Advising Center, and this is the next in our series of student tutorials. Today we're going to take a quick overview of how to use the LSA online course guide. When picking out classes for next semester, it's a good idea to use both the online course guide and Wolverine Access. The main advantages of using the online course guide are that it's easier to read than Wolverine Access, it contains detailed course descriptions, and it contains information about open and closed classes and various course restrictions that could impact your ability to register for a course. So let's get started. First thing to do is pull up the online course guide by going to www.lsa.umich.edu/cg/, and you'll get to the course guide here. And what we're going to do is just do a basic search. If you go into this box right here, we're going to type in Anthropology 101. So Anthro 101, and then click on the class and then hit search. And what you're going to find once you get in there is it's going to have two lectures. So this course has two different lectures. Here's the instructor of one, here's the instructor of the second lecture. It tells you what it counts for. It counts for social science and for race and ethnicity. And if you click on the course, it'll give you a nice detailed description of the class, and it tells you the topics that are covered in the course. And if you scroll down further, you can see again the two lectures here. This happens to be the one with a bubble on it right here that we clicked on. You can see it meets Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 11 to 12 and where it meets. It also tells you that if you want to take this lecture here, you have to register for sections 3 through 15. If you want to take this lecture here, you have to register for sections 27 through 44. If you scroll down, it tells you whether those discussion sections are open or closed. It tells you when they meet, and it tells you where they're located. You can see this is one of those restrictions that we were talking about. So this section looks like it's open, but it's only open to students that are in the honors program. And so what you want to do is find a section that's actually open and fits in your schedule. And so in this case, we're gonna click on section 13 right here. And what you want to do is double click on that, and then right click, and now you've got that 5-digit code. Hit copy. And then we're going to go into a student's backpack right here. And if you put the class right in this box right here and hit paste and then enter, then you can put the class directly into your backpack. So going back to the course guide here, we're going to go back to the home of the course guide. And you can also look for departments. And so let's say you want to take a particular class, and we're going to click on American Culture, but you want to see what the complete course offerings are for that department for that semester. Click on American Culture, click out of the box there and hit search. And then you can see it pulls up all the classes that are offered by that department in that given upcoming semester. So let's say you wanted to take a class on social inequality. Again, it tells you the course, it tells you who the instructor is, it counts for social science credits, and if you click on it, it'll give you a description of the class. And again, you can see it has a lecture and a discussion. In this case, there is one seat open, so you'd grab that and put it into your backpack. Another feature of the online course guide is that you can look up courses by various distribution requirements. And so let's say you wanted to find a course that met humanities requirements. If you clicked on that and hit search, it'll bring up a complete list. You can see there's 19 pages of classes to pick from, and it'll tell you what classes meet humanities. Another way to use the online course guide, you can do the same thing and look up the skills requirements. So let's say you wanted to take a course that met upper level writing or race and ethnicity or quantitative reasoning. You can search for all of those things right here. The last thing that's kind of a nice feature about this is, let's say you were interested in a topic, but you're not quite sure what department those courses are located in. If you go to the keyword search here and type in this case, I'm going to type in Middle East and see what comes up. It will pull back any course that has Middle East in the title or in the course description. You can see they're kind of all over the place here, but that's nice because then you can look at various departments that you might not have thought of looking in before. And so let's say you wanted to take American and Middle Eastern Wars with Professor Juan Cole. You would click on that and look down to see whether it's open. It looks like the course was open. It tells you the time, again, a discussion and a lecture, and then you go back to the course guide here and just keep searching that way. So hopefully this gives you a nice overview of how to use the online course guide. If you have questions about how to actually backpack the classes, we do have a YouTube channel. So if you just go to YouTube and type in Noonan Advising, we do have tutorials in here on how to backpack classes, how to add classes, how to actually register for courses. And if you really still have questions, we definitely encourage you to come see your academic advisor. So just call the Advising Center at 734-764-0332 and make an appointment to see your academic advisor. So hopefully this helps, and good luck with registration.